First thing, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about one of the experiments. We talk them in this semester, and the name of the experiment is photoelectric effect. And the goals of the experiment is one, determination of the dependence of the stopping potential of the amount of the light. Two, compare between the wave and quantum models.
The setup for this experiment, the first, this is the light source, so it's contain a lamp inside, and we need a different light colors, or we need a different frequency. So we use this method. This is the green color, and this is the yellow color. And the second part in this experiment, it's a photocell. It's inside here, and it's contained in the parallel the multimeter. So which is use the voltmeter. This is the voltmeter, and this is the natural filter. We use it to change the intensity. So the first here is 20% and 40% and 60% and 80% and 100%. Let's start the experiment. We start on the yellow card, and the intensity equal 100%. And the voltmeter read 0.78 volt. Then change the intensity to 80%. The voltmeter reads the same, 0.78 volt. Then change the intensity to 60%, like this. And the voltmeter reads 0.78 volt. Then change the intensity to 40%. And the voltmeter read 0.78. Then change to 20%. The voltmeter read the same, 0.78. Then change the color to green, like this. And the intensity equal 100%. And the voltmeter reads 0.84. Then change intensity to 80%. And the voltmeter reads 0.84. Then change the intensity to 60%. And the voltmeter read 0.84. Then change the intensity to 40%, and the voltmeter read 0.84. Then change the intensity to 20%, and the voltmeter read 0.84. Then change the color to blue, like this. Put and the intensity equal 100%, and the voltmeter read 1.04. Then change the intensity to 80%, and the voltmeter read 1.04. Then change the intensity to 60%, and the voltmeter read 1.04. Then change the intensity to 40%, and the voltmeter read 1.04. Then change the intensity to 20%, and the voltmeter read 1.04. Then change the color to violet, and the intensity equal 100%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity to 80%, and the voltmeter read 1.43, and change the intensity to 60%, and the the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity to 40%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity to 20%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the color to ultraviolet, and then the intensity equal 100%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity equal 80%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. If they change the voltmeter read, change the small change, not big. Then change the intensity to 60%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity to 40%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then change the intensity to 20%, and the voltmeter read 1.43. Then finish. The figure for this experiment, the potential difference in the y-axis and the transmission in the x-axis. And with a conclusion, if the transmission is changed, the potential difference is the same. And the lines for potential difference and transmission is parallel in the transmission.
Finally, we thank Prof. Jamaluddin Atta for his efforts in this semester and allowing opportunity for us in diction skill development. My name is Yousef Al-aod.
And my name is Saleh Al-salamah.
And my name is العجلان.